Hello everyone, Diwali is just here and I made these paper lanterns which are so easy to make and will give that elegant look wherever you place. You need a thick A4 size paper, fold 1 centimeter on one end and 2 big folds, keeping the folds equal as possible. I drew different patterns on each lanterns. Cut them out with a precision knife on a cutting board. Now paste different colored kite papers on each part. Glue on the folded 1 centimeter part and paste it with the other end on the inner side. Take any string. Here I am using a string of yarn and I tied it through the lantern. One end cut it short and the other end keep it as long as you want. Remember to keep it long enough so you can tie it wherever you want to. Do the same for each corners of the lantern. Now for the base, take a roughly cut triangle. Take the measurement of the lantern and fold it on each side. Glue the sides and close one of the open end of the lantern. Use LED lights, whatever is available in your market, and place them inside and it's done. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to help me grow. Thank you for watching. Have a safe and happy Diwali!